Hey my lovies, how are you? So I am redoing my closet. I just let my closet get out of hand. It's like ridiculous and I had to clean it up. I'm just junky sometimes when I be lazy and not putting things back in its place. Every place got its thing. So I'm decluttering and I'm cleaning up. I'm putting everything back on its hanger. Just trying to be more disciplined in my life. I got a baby coming and I can't junk up like it's 50 people in my house. So I'm trying to be disciplined and do the right things. So I'm cleaning up, decluttering, get things out my way, out my space, because I need to be functional. That's why I made the room, so it can be functional. But the room is coming along very good. Just got to do a little bit more on the other side. I'm ridiculous. So I just got to get everything up, everything out of the way in this place, back on hangers, and that's it. So I'm just decluttering, guys, just hanging up my stuff. I get lazy, so lazy, but this has to cut. I'm trying to be more disciplined and consistent with hanging up my clothes, putting things up, because I created the closet for it to be a closet, not a junk spare room. So I'm just trying to be consistent. So thank you guys for watching. This is the end of my video. I really appreciate it. All right, have a blessed day.